This is an educational example based on my personal approach. Results vary widely, and nothing here guarantees profit or future performance.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. I hope your day of trading went well. We had so much fun in the community because we see this market pull down as an incredible opportunity to get in on some wonderful companies. We have started to establish our position in the QQQ leaps that I have been sharing with you. We even did one in SPMO. I'm going to do a whole nother video on that because I think there's still plenty of time to get into those trades. But what this is all about, it's about using the current environment where so many quality stocks are at a deep discount, using those discounts to start to establish your positions of 100 shares in these said stocks so that you can then start selling covered calls. I've been waiting specifically to do a video like this because I wanted stocks to be at a point where your chances of them going up and you being able to sell covered calls above your cost basis was strong. And we are starting to get there now. And I know it takes time to start to establish your position. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video out for you so that you can start looking at some incredible opportunities that I am seeing. The best part about covered calls is it creates monthly income for you on the stocks you already own. This is exactly how I broke into option trading. I had several hundred shares of the company stock that I worked for. I was able to start selling covered calls on that company stock, and it far surpassed my salary in time. So I want everyone to learn this. In fact, I am actually going to do something you are going to love. There is a QR code in the corner right now. Go ahead and scan that. Sign up for my free training on how to use your current stocks in your portfolio to actually generate monthly income. Now, this special training, it is next Tuesday. It's a week from now. All the details will be on that QR code, but you must register. There will not be a recording of this special training. You have to be present to enjoy it. Now, let's jump into the computer and get into all of the details on how you can evaluate a stock to start to establish your position to eventually sell covered calls. There are going to be several stocks that I'm going over to help you, but I wanted to start with the overall indices because if you buy 100 shares or establish 100 shares of the overall indices, usually you will find that that does very well for you. They have option chains daily, weekly, monthly, so there's a lot of variety there. And so what you want to do is you want to look right here at the 14-day RSI. Anytime you see that this is close to being oversold, which it is right now, we are nearing that 35 mark. That's when I like to actually go ahead and start establishing a position. This is where you can start to nibble out some shares, or if you don't have any exposure to equities, you could probably consider going in a little bit heavier at this point. Now, what you want to do is you want to continue to watch this. We're at a very important point. We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. We're sitting right here on top of that 100-day moving average. Now, if the market stays under pressure, it could pull down to this red line, which is the 200-day moving average. This would be a deep discount on the indices. And if it happens to go under the 200-day moving average, that's when I would actually be really aggressive. Every time I've done that, I've usually done really well. So your goal would be, if you want to sell covered calls for income, your goal would be to establish your position, get to 100 shares of the QQQ, and you can use this to start to sell covered calls on. Let's go look at the SPY. Now, I know all these are high price tickers, so don't let that intimidate you. I'm going to go over some lower priced tickers for you to consider if you're interested in doing this. But right now, if you look at the SPY, it is too at a good point to start to establish a position, but the RSI is a little bit higher than what we just saw on the Qs. However, because of how it typically goes up over time, usually looking back over 12 months, you'll see that it rises about 75% of the time. You could start to establish your position here. Again, if we have a larger sell-off as we get a little bit deeper into the fall, then you could complete your position of 100 shares. And again, the beauty of this is you have options that you can sell several times a week if you wish on the indices. Remember, I told you about that 200-day moving average? Well, you can see right here, Microsoft is trading under its 200-day moving average. So that does give me a little bit of pause because you do see this moving average sloping downward. You really want to see it regain it before it's considered to be more in a bullish mode. But if you've always liked Microsoft and you have more time on the horizon and you don't mind starting to establish your position now would not be a bad idea. Now, that RSI, it is at 51, but it has been under this 200-day moving average for quite some time. So you've had plenty of time to fill your bags if you want at Microsoft, but this is one that you might consider. Google is at another great spot. Now, if you were in my community, you were able to get Google about $15 cheaper from where we are now. We actually bought some leaps on it and we financed those leaps with sold puts. It's such a fun trade. I love doing that trade. But if you wanted to go ahead and establish your position now, it's not the worst idea in the world. You can see the RSI is currently at 41. It had been lower when initially I got in for the different trades I'm calling for the community. But if you started to establish your position now, you would still be getting in right there at that 200-day moving average, just right above it, bottom of the Bollinger Band. And in time, as the market continues to go up over time, this one should do really well for you. I have a lot of belief in Google and how they may play a major role in all things AI as we move forward. I cannot wait to see the different innovation that they come up with. They are truly a critical part of the entire AI ecosystem. Here's Amazon. Who does not love Amazon? We all love Amazon. Amazon shows up on my door almost daily. Now, let me show you. It's at a really good spot to consider to start to establish your position if you're trying to get to 100 shares. It's at 36 on the RSI. It's trading right under the 200-day moving average. It's really screaming value at this point. It's not to say it can't go lower, but if you go ahead and start to establish your position in time, I think you'll be really pleased with yourself. Now, be aware that they do have earnings coming up, so that could go either way. So just keep that in mind as you're looking at all of these potential trades. You always want to check their earnings to determine if you want to take the risk prior to earnings. Now we're starting to get to some tickers that may work for those with medium size or smaller accounts and you want to sell covered calls. Let's look at DRAM. This is one of my favorites. And again, I started getting into this when it was between 30 and 35. But look, the RSI is showing that it's entering that value territory. It's right there at 36. It's trading at the bottom of its band. So there's a lot of potential room for it to go up over the coming year. This is one that you may want to consider starting to establish 100 shares of your position. We can't talk about small accounts without looking at SoFi. This has been a favorite for a lot of my viewers, I know, even though it has been beat up quite a bit. The RSI is respectable. It's at 44, and it's trading right there almost at the bottom of the band. This one would not be a bad time to start to establish a longer-term position. It does give decent covered call premium, so as it starts to rise, especially as it starts to rise, you should find that the covered call premium ends up being really decent. Now, I've been showing you ones that are really at a good value in my perspective. Let me show you one that I think I would not start to establish 100 shares. That's Apple. Apple has had an incredible run, but look at this RSI. It's right there at about 68. Remember, when I do this, I want the stop to be close to being oversold or oversold. At this point, it's very close to being overbought. So I would wait on Apple, wait until something comes out to push it down lower before I start to establish 100 shares of my position. Now, here's one I wanted to offer you, INTC. Now, it could continue to stay under pressure. In fact, if the market continues to pull back over the coming weeks and months, it may have a day right here with the 200-day moving average. But it's something to consider because the government does have a vested interest in this company. They actually own a piece of the company. And with that being said, look at the RSI. It's already close to being oversold at 33. So if you wanted to start to get into this stock, it wouldn't be the worst idea because if it continues to go down into the 200-day moving average, you could still get it pretty low. And there's a lot of potential runway up once they have good earnings or if there's new deals announced that may continue to bring revenue to them. This is great for medium-sized accounts that are trying to establish positions that they can sell covered calls on a stock. Now, I've been sharing with you about going and just buying the shares, which you absolutely can do. Some of you, though, like selling puts. So let's look at if you were going to try to sell a put on something like Intel right now. It's currently trading at around 86. In this environment with potential chop ahead of us, I like to go further out. So if you want to look at 12/18 of 2026, you could scroll down here. Remember, I showed you that 200-day moving average.
So you might want to look something right here around 65 all the way down to 60. Look, if you were able to sell the $60 put, you would receive almost $500 for putting up 6,000 to buy Intel at that 200-day moving average. Now you would have to wait a little while to actually get these shares because this is in December, but you could do a combination of buying some shares and then selling a put to maybe get the rest of your position. You could even consider staggering this as well. This could be for Intel or any stock. You could sell some at the 65 right there, get 640 for that. Then you could go down to the 60. You could even go down to the 55. And then if none of these trigger, well, that's a lot of premium. But if they do start triggering as we get towards the end of the year, this will help you average down while you establish the entire position that you're interested in.
I hope you found that helpful and it's motivating to you, and it actually gives you an opportunity to get in on these quality companies while they're still low. Now, again, it may take several weeks to establish your position, but that's okay because we may have even better discounts coming around the corner. Remember, if you're with me, Trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind. If you want to watch another video that I recently did on how to use this current market environment to actually get outsized gains, you can watch that video right here.